I was sent this electrical power cord for a range hood and asked to give my opinion on it and make this short video. So let's check it out. Here's everything you're going to get sent to you. This is useful if you've got a situation where perhaps you had a microwave with a built-in fan that was suspended underneath a cabinet and over a range, perhaps over a stove. And if you remove that microwave and you just want to put in a standard range hood, some of those range hoods are required to be hardwired. But if you've already got a plug there, you might want to use the plug instead. And so you can use this set of, this whole kit to install this plug-based cord instead of hardwiring it. Because, in some cases, you may be in an apartment or something, you don't want to do much intrusive work to the sheetrock or anything like that. You just want to take advantage of an existing 110 plug and just plug this thing in like any other appliance. So that's what this is designed for. You've got your standard 3-prong plug here with your hot, neutral, and your ground, and then you've also got your hot, neutral, and ground wires on the other end. Ground already has a tab here, so you can just screw this into something solid on the grounding side, and then you can connect your two others here. And it's also got this portion here, which will allow you to connect it into the firewall, perhaps, of the range hood, connect that through into where the wiring goes, and to secure that. You're going to get the wire nuts that you need for your lines here. You're also going to get another small cap here as well. And then also this metal bracket here shows you in the instructions how that could be used. This plate would be something that would help with the retention of the device so that the cord doesn't pull out, doesn't pull through. That's something that you can use to secure it. Right here, they give you all the instructions on what you should do in what order for the kit. And it shows you on a standard range hood what that might look like as you are connecting those wires in. They typically have a light, and then they have the fan itself, and it's going to show you, black on black, white on white, and green to ground. So that's it. This is everything you're going to get in this kit. It's all you need to quickly hook it up. You got the plug and everything that you need, and even give you the additional little accessories as well. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope this was useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.